If you're selling digital planners but struggling to get consistent traffic or sales, you're missing out on the #1 free platform that does the selling for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we turn productivity tools into profit. Today I'll show you step by step how to use Pinterest marketing to grow your audience, drive traffic, and make passive sales for your digital planners. By the end, you'll know how to set up, automate, and scale, so your pins bring sales even while you sleep. Stick around till the end. I'll show you my exact workflow that turns Pinterest pins into daily Etsy sales. Links for Tailwind, Pinterest, Etsy, and Teachable are in the description so you can follow along. Let's start with the key question: why Pinterest? Stop thinking of it as social media. Pinterest is a visual search engine. On Instagram, people scroll to see friends. On Pinterest, they search for ideas, solutions, and products like budget planner, student organization ideas, or daily productivity template. This gives you a huge advantage. While posts on other platforms may last a day, a well-optimized pin can drive traffic for months or years, creating passive income from digital products. Pinterest users are planners, organizers, and goal setters, your ideal customers already looking for the planners you sell. This isn't about trends, it's about solving real problems. Comment below, have you ever discovered a product on Pinterest? Step 1. Setting up your Pinterest business account. This is essential. A business account gives access to analytics and advertising features. You can convert a personal account, but starting fresh is best. Go to Pinterest Business and sign up. Your profile is your digital storefront, so make it count. Use a clear professional photo, a headshot, or logo. Your bio should include keywords. Instead of "I sell planners," say "helping you organize your life with aesthetic and functional digital planners." Shop productivity, budget, and wellness planners. Add your link directly to Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable so people can buy easily. A strong keyword-rich profile shows Pinterest and potential customers exactly what you offer. Think of it as your storefront. People decide in 3 seconds whether to follow or click. Step 2 is creating boards for your niche. Boards organize your pins and tell Pinterest what your content is about. Don't make one giant digital planners board. Be specific. Create boards for daily digital planners, student planners, budgeting planners, wellness journals, etc. Each board should target one keyword cluster. Multiple specific boards give users more ways to find you and signal Pinterest that you're an authority. For example, someone searching student assignment tracker is more likely to see your student planners board than a generic one. Start with 5 to 10 core boards related to the planners you sell. Pro tip: add 10 to 15 relevant pins per board initially to show activity. You can pin others high quality, relevant content to start. Step 3 is designing pins that convert. This is where the magic happens. Your pin design stops the scroll. Use Canva, which has countless Pinterest templates. Key principles: use bright, high-contrast colors to stand out. Bold, readable text overlays that clearly show value, e.g., instead of digital planner, say your all-in-one 2025 life planner, or finally master your budget with this planner. And lifestyle mockups showing the planner on a tablet on a clean desk, helping users visualize using it. Create at least 5 to 10 pin variations per planner, testing colors, text, and images. What works for one audience may not work for another. Canva Pro speeds this up with one-click resizing and premium stock photos, worth the investment. Which pin style converts better, bold text or minimal aesthetic? Comment below. Next up is step 4, writing SEO-friendly pin descriptions. A beautiful pin is useless if no one can find it. Your pin title and description are what get you discovered. This is where your keyword research pays off. Your title should be compelling and include your main keyword. For example, the ultimate digital planner for busy professionals. Your description should expand on this, naturally weaving in related keywords. Don't just list them, write a helpful, human-readable paragraph. Include 3 to 5 relevant hashtags at the end, treating them like extra keywords. And critically, always include a clear call to action. Tell people what to do next. For example, stay organized in 2025 with this all-in-one digital life planner. Perfect for students and professionals, it includes daily, weekly, and monthly layouts to help you achieve your goals. Click to get your copy instantly and start planning today. This description is rich with keywords, explains the benefit, and has a direct call to action, making it far more effective. Now, let's talk about consistency with step 5, automating with Tailwind. Pinterest rewards consistent pinning, but pinning manually every day is a full-time job. This is where a scheduler like Tailwind comes in. Tailwind is an official Pinterest partner that allows you to schedule hundreds of pins in advance. You can sit down for 1 hour on a Sunday and schedule your pins for the entire week or even month. It analyzes your audience and automatically pins at the optimal times for engagement. One of its most powerful features is Tailwind communities. These are groups of creators in similar niches who agree to share each other's content. By sharing your pins to a community, you can get them in front of a much larger relevant audience almost instantly. This is one of the fastest ways to get initial traction on your pins. Using automation is the key to scaling your efforts without burning out, making it a cornerstone of a system designed to sell digital planners on autopilot. I highly recommend it, and you can find my affiliate link for it in the description. Next, I'll show you how to connect this system directly to your Etsy or Teachable, so your pins turn into sales automatically. Step 6 is about driving traffic to your store. Every pin must serve one purpose: to drive a click to where you make a sale. Each pin should link directly to a specific product listing on Etsy, a sales page on Teachable, or your own website. Avoid linking to your main shop page. That adds an unnecessary step. If the pin is for a daily planner, link it to that planner's page. Linking to Etsy can boost conversion since it's a trusted marketplace where people are ready to buy. Alternatively, Teachable lets you create a more comprehensive offer. For example, a pin for a $15 digital planner on Etsy could lead to a buyer who later sees an upsell in your Etsy thank you note, a $29 Teachable mini course on mastering digital planning. This builds a value ladder, maximizing each Pinterest customer's lifetime value. Both Etsy and Teachable links are below if you're setting up today. Once traffic is flowing, move to step 7, tracking analytics. Your Pinterest business account provides a powerful analytics dashboard. Don't get overwhelmed. Focus on impressions, saves, and outbound clicks. Impressions show how many people see your pin. Saves mean people find it valuable. Outbound clicks are the gold, those who leave Pinterest to visit your shop. Identify your top pins for outbound clicks and replicate their success. What do they share? Color, headline, mock-up style? Double down on what works. Don't waste time on pins no one clicks. Data-driven decisions separate struggling shops from thriving ones. Stick around. Next, I'll show you an example workflow from pin design to sale. Here's the example workflow. First, create your new digital planner, say a Mindful Moments Wellness Journal in Canva. Second, list it on Etsy for $15 with optimized photos and a great description. Third, design 10 pin variations. Bold text, lifestyle photos, or different features. Fourth, use Tailwind to schedule them over 2 weeks to relevant boards like wellness planners and digital journaling. Fifth, ensure every pin links directly to your Etsy listing. Optionally, create a small upsell like digital stickers and host it on Teachable, linking from your Etsy receipt. Within weeks, you'll have a traffic funnel running on autopilot, bringing targeted buyers daily. Now for some pro marketing tips. First, leverage seasonal trends, back-to-school planners in July, holiday gift planners in November, and New Year goal planners in December. Second, use video pins, short animated graphics made in Canva that grab attention and boost engagement. Third, repin your own popular content regularly. A pin that performed well months ago can work again. Use Tailwind's smart loops to automate it. Fourth, offer a freebie to grow your email list. A pin linking to a landing page offering a free planner sample in exchange for email sign-up. To recap your full Pinterest marketing system for digital planners: 1. Set up your Pinterest business account. 2. Create niche boards. 3. Design high-converting pins in Canva. 4. Write SEO-friendly descriptions. 5. Automate with Tailwind. 6. Link directly to Etsy or Teachable. And 7. Track analytics and repeat what works. Set this up once, and Pinterest will drive traffic and sales for months, generating passive income from digital products you've already made. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more tips. Comment below, which type of planner are you launching first? Thanks for watching and stay in work mode.